In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave Google Classroom classes in this 2025 updated guide. If you're a student or even a teacher, there come times when you might need to unenroll from a Google Classroom, whether it's because you've completed the course, need to adjust your schedule, or for any other reason. Leaving a class in Google Classroom is straightforward. Let's dive into how you can do just that. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Google Classroom homepage. You can do this by typing in classroomgoogle.com in the address bar and hitting enter. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account that's enrolled in the class you wish to leave. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the dashboard displaying all of your active classes. It's a clean, organized space where each class is represented by a card, making navigation incredibly simple. Now, look for the class you want to leave and focus on its card. In the upper right corner of each class card, you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options button and is crucial for the next step. Click on this button to view a drop-down menu with additional options related to the class. This menu provides several choices, but what we're interested in is the option to leave the class, which in Google Classroom terms is called unenroll. So go ahead and click on unenroll from that drop-down list. Once you've done that, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This additional step is to ensure that you don't accidentally leave a class you didn't intend to. It asks you to confirm your decision to unenroll. Here, Google Classroom gives you one more chance to reconsider since this action cannot be undone from your end. If you're sure about leaving the class, go ahead and click on the blue unenroll button in the pop-up. After a few seconds, you should no longer see the class on your home page, confirming that you have successfully unenrolled. And that's all there is to it. Now remember, unenrolling from a class means you'll lose access to all the associated resources and assignments usually posted by the teachers. If you need to rejoin or access past material, you'll have to get permission and be invited back to the class. It's also important to note that if you have any grades or valuable information stored in the class, consider downloading them before you leave. Having a backup never hurts. I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to leave any future Google Classroom classes. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more useful guides and updates.